Hi, Elaine here with WTI. Would you like to know how I get my entryway looking so nice and organized? I use this ultra flat plug extension cord to keep all my wires organized and out of sight. I really appreciate that this extension cord has a USB A port and a USB C port. That way both types of my electronics are able to charge with this cord. I also have plugs that are oversized, so I definitely can't plug them into my wall, and this power strip has really helped save me the space. I'm able to plug them in and push my cabinet flush against the wall. So if you're looking to keep your cords neat and tidy and out of sight, and they are behind something that you really want to keep flat against the wall, then this ultra flat extension cord is going to be amazing for you. I love it, I highly recommend it, and that's just my point of view.